Hi Slayers, this is D Slays with another acrylic application video. For this video, we're going to be doing another classic slay video, but this time we're going to do XL. XL acrylic application is different because the longer the nail, the lower you have to apply your acrylic bead and then work your way up to the cuticle. Also, if you haven't done so already, please check out my prep and prime video because for this set, we're going to be starting straight from acrylic application. Are you up for it? Let's get started. On this table, I have my plastic placemat to prevent the table from getting messed up. I have my dental bib because I don't like to use bounties anymore. I have the acrylic polymer that I'm going to use, which is Valentino Perfect Nude, my acrylic tray in which I will put my monomer, some clear powder if I need to, and my size 14 slay brush. Now that our model is here, we're going to notice that these nails are a little longer than usual. XL length is going to be anything that's past the midway length. Midway can belong to somebody else and it can be short to other people. The difference in applying acrylic on longer nails, like I mentioned earlier, is that we will be starting from the lower end of the tip. We will be starting with a larger bead so that we can fill up half of the nail and we can finish quicker. Because the longer the nail, the longer it's going to take you to finish it. So I'm going to show you a little technique to be able to finish quicker and efficiently. Now let's get started. I'm going to be using Perfect Nude from Valentino. So when doing XL, you first want to, for sure, damp the nail bed. We do this for every type of full set. And we're going to get kind of like a larger bead, kind of like a one bead method bead. So we're going to drain only the very top of the brush at the top, and we're going to keep all of this liquid on the brush. This is going to allow us to have a large bead. We're going to have our pinky somewhere, drain, pinky as a balance finger, dip it 1, 2, 3, and get a large bead. Your bead should be about this size. Once you have your bead, you want to apply it midway throughout the nail, depending on the length. If it's longer, then you apply it lower. But with that large bead, you should be able to fill up half of the nail, the bottom half. Always start low because the lower you start, the faster you'll finish, because you want to get the tip of the nail to be the thickest part of the nail. Mold it by pressing it down, tapping it down, till you get all the way to the tip, then tap it in. Now you see with this bead, I just filled up halfway of my nail. Now I'm going to get another bead. It's going to be just as large, and I'm going to apply it by the cuticle, and I will blend it down with this bead.